Oli viajeros! Welcome to our last part here in the Switzerland of Peru, HUARAZ City. Just a little recap on our part 1, we went to Laguna Yanganuco to acclimate. This lake was so magical, most especially the turquoise-colored lake. Watch the full video of part 1 of HUARAZ and just click the link above. In part 2, we went to the largest lake in National Huascaran Park, Laguna Paron. And of course, the majestic color of the lake was indeed a very precious sight. I will leave the link above for the full video. Last day in the beautiful city of HUARAZ. Join us hike Laguna 69. The tour started very early and we slept throughout the trip. We arrived approximately 8 a.m. in Tulparumi to eat breakfast, and you can also buy snacks to eat when you reach the top of the mountain. Here we ordered the Sayuno Continental that costs 15 soles. The ambience was also beautiful and spacious, and of course, when in Peru, it's a must to see llamas. Good thing we saw one in this stopover. As always, llamas are so cute. You can also enjoy the free bathroom here because all throughout this hike, bathroom is unavailable. After 30 minutes in the restaurant, we went on a little stopover of the beautiful Yanganuco and took pictures, but only for around 5 minutes, and then we went back on our way. The road was so bumpy and dusty, so brace yourselves! After approximately 4 long hours in total of travel, including the stopovers, we arrived at the starting point of trekking Laguna 69. At 9:26 in the morning, we started trekking, and while walking, we heard this stream that has an amazing view and what I call nature's ASMR. Laguna 69 is found in the National Huascaran Park, and if my eyes can just take photos of what I am seeing, I would take thousands. And this is the reason why HUARAZ is called the Little Switzerland of Peru. The trek going to Laguna 69 has the best views I have seen in my entire trekking excursions here in Peru. Although with the altitude plus the cold weather, you may seem discouraged, it will be rewarded with nature's gift, just like this famous tree named Arbol de Papel that you can find in the National Huascaran Park. That if you translate in English, it is the paper tree, because if you touch its bark, it feels like paper. Moreover, beautiful waterfalls can be seen as well while trekking. From this point, reaching the lake was just 3 kilometers away, and the altitude was slowly changing. After 30 minutes, you will arrive to this lake called Laguna Consuelo. In English, Consuelo means small prize. They say that it was named such because for people who will not continue to trek to see the Lake 69, this is like a consolation prize of that lake. Stop over for a food. Snacks time. In this lake, Laguna Consuelo, we made a quick stopover to eat our snacks, hydrate, and regain some strength. And then we continued walking. While walking to Laguna 69, the way was becoming more challenging, and as we are nearing the lake, the altitude also changes. I could feel the pressure in my ears and was a bit dizzy too. At exactly 1:16 in the afternoon, finally, we made it to Laguna 69. This lake was worth it. For fin. This is me after arriving at Lake 69. Let me show you how beautiful it is. I will not do this again. It's so beautiful. Man.
Whoa. Oh, glorious. It's just simply amazing.
Soon as we arrived, we ate the snacks we had, we rested and hydrated. Honestly, I did not have too much appetite, but I feel I must eat, so I just took a bite or two of the sandwich after drank mate de coca and water. My husband, on the other hand, ate a bit too much and it made him not feel well, and he was nauseous afterwards. This lake left us speechless. Everything was just worth it. Just look at these pictures that we took. After 30 minutes of enjoying this precious Laguna 69, we trekked back and arrived approximately 4:15 in the afternoon. So guys, we already trekked Laguna 69 for you, so you do not have to walk approximately 7 hours back and forth. Please do like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe. JJ tips time! Always acclimate first because this is an intermediate level of trekking. Wear proper trekking shoes, and if you have hiking sticks, the better. Bring snacks and water. Bring sunglasses, sunblock, wear windbreaker jackets or water repellent jackets depending on the weather. JJ expenses time! Thank you everyone for reaching the end of the video. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. No te olvides, ten siempre fe, esperanza y amor. Muchas bendiciones a todos. Hasta la próxima.